Hey, if your Bose QC35 headphones battery life has significantly decreased, today I will show you how to easily replace the old battery with new one replacement. This way your headphones will last for days again without needing a charge. This method also works for the Bose QC45, as the battery replacement process is the same for both models. To do this, you will need a new replacement battery, link below video, a hairdryer or heat gun to soften the glue, and soft soldering kit tools you can borrow from your grandmother. Start by removing the left airpod and fabric filter. Then unscrew the small screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take off the metal cover and desolder all the 3 wires, making sure to remember which color goes which contact, so you can correctly connect the new battery wires later. To protect the speaker driver from heat damage, cover it with a paper and some tape. Then use a hairdryer or heat gun to heat the glue under plastic cover. Once the glue has softened, carefully remove the cover. If it doesn't come off easily, heat a bit more until the glue softens. Carefully take out the old battery and make sure to recycling it properly, don't just throw it in the woods. Then insert the new replacement battery, put the wires through, and place battery in place securely. Clean off any old glue remains from both the cover and the headphone housing. Check if the battery trunk cover fits back properly, and if everything looks good, apply a small amount of flexible glue to put cover back in place. Solder the wires back in the correct order, be 110% precise, as incorrect wiring could damage your headphones. Once that's done, reattach the metal cover, remove the tape and paper, and screw 2 screws back in place. Finally, put back the fabric filter and AirPods. If you have any trouble with your AirPods, check out my previous detailed AirPod replacement video. And that's it. That's how easy it is to replace the old battery in your Bose QC35 or QC45 headphones. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Next time I will show you how to replace the old headband cushion on these headphones. But now, good luck and happy day!